Let's get you some breaking updates coming in. Amid the water crisis in the national capital, the Delhi government has moved the Supreme Court seeking direction for more water supply, asking Haryana as well as Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh to supply water. So amid the grave water crisis in the national capital, the Kejriwal government has moved the Supreme Court seeking a direction to Haryana, Himachal as well as UP to supply more water to deal with the present crisis. My colleague Akanksha is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the plea that has been filed by the Kejriwal government. Akanksha, severe water crisis in the national capital, the Aam Aadmi Party moving the Supreme Court seeking direction for Haryana, Himachal and UP to supply more water. What are the details of this plea?
Well, absolutely. The people of the national capital are basically fighting for a basic necessity, that is water. And at that time, as Aam Aadmi Party has said that they would be moving the Supreme Court because of this water crisis. We're getting to know they've already moved the Supreme Court regarding this issue. And in fact, they want a direction from the Supreme Court to Himachal, Haryana as well as Uttar Pradesh to provide more water in the next 1 month to Delhi. And in the petition, they have said that Delhi's water needs to be increased in scorching heat as it is everyone's responsibility to fulfill the needs of the country's capital. Now, this comes at a time when the temperatures are soaring in the national capital. The water supply is dwindling, and as you can see here in the visuals, we are currently in Vivekanand Colony here, which is quite near to the central Delhi, and you can see the canister, the plastic bottles being kept. Just a while back, there was a tanker here which supplied water, and people ran after that tanker to fetch water. There is people are making a run to fetch water at a time when the temperatures are soaring, and the visuals are quite disturbing, because in the visuals we saw the ladies as well as the children running after the tanker, climbing on to it and fetching the water to basically meet their necessity. And we also spoke to a few people here, and they said that this water that they got supplied here is not fit for consumption, and hence few of them had to go to the market and get the bottled water from there.
But at this time, seeing on the screens, and this is in the national capital.